In the Iraqi city of Mosul, two historic Catholic churches destroyed years ago by ISIS have been brought back to life. EWTN News Rody Sher shows how parishioners, clergy, and government leaders joined together for this special moment.
Inside the old city of Mosul, bells that were once silenced are ringing again. The Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani officially reopened the Church of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception, known as al-Tahira, together with the Dominican Church of Our Lady of the Hour. Standing before faithful, the Prime Minister described the reopening as a symbol of unity, saying that the church rises from among the ruins to be the house where God gathers hearts without division or enmity. Archbishop Benedictine Hanno, who leads the Syriac Catholic Archdiocese of Mosul, welcomed the Prime Minister, but also issued a heartfelt appeal. He urged Iraqi leadership not only to rebuild stones, but also to rebuild people. Nearly 80% of Iraqi Christian community, he said, still facing discrimination, loss of rights, or the pain of exile. Many left their homeland with tears and continue to hope for a future where they can return. The ceremony included the ringing of the restored church bell and the planting of olive trees, a universal sign of peace and reconciliation. Both churches, along with Mosul's famous Great Al-Nuri Mosque, were left in ruin during the occupation of ISIS from 2014 to 2017. From destruction to resurrection, the reopening of two historic churches offers a sign of healing for Mosul and for Iraqi Christian community. For many, it's not only about restoring walls, but about restoring hope. For EWTN News, this is Rody Sher.